to stage a sustainable trade forum at COP28, and JPMorgan is expanding its businesses in Abu Dhabi. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Farad. The UAE Ministry of Economy will host a sustainable trade forum on December 4th during COP28. The event will bring together private sector leaders to explore opportunities surrounding sustainable, inclusive supply chains. They'll focus on the contribution the global business community can make towards a more agile and climate-friendly economy. The Sustainable Trade Forum will feature as part of COP28's International Trade Day. It marks the first time trade as a concept has featured as an official day at a COP meeting. JPMorgan is expanding its payments and corporate banking businesses in Abu Dhabi after getting a nod from regulators. The Financial Services Regulatory Authority has granted in-principle approval to JPMorgan to upgrade its license to Category 1. JPMorgan says it's planning to take deposits and offer payments processing to wholesale banking clients from the Abu Dhabi global market. The bank had set up a legal entity in ADGM in 2021, but has had a physical presence in the UAE for more than a decade. Italy is discussing joint investments with Saudi in the automotive, mining, oil and gas, defense, hydrogen and space sectors. During an official visit to Riyadh, Italian officials said the countries are committed to developing a regulatory and industrial framework that favors and accelerates strategic autonomy in the critical raw materials sector. They say they explored the possibility of partnerships and joint investments, especially in the mining sector in both Saudi and Italy, and in countries in Africa as well. Saudi-based B2B digital distribution startup Retailo has secured $15 million in equity funding. Catering to micro retailers and restaurants, Retailo will use the funds to boost operations, explore new verticals, and enhance its footprint in the kingdom. Retailo offers access to over 5,000 stock-keeping units with next-day delivery. It also provides a plug-and-play solution for suppliers, allowing them to distribute their products by utilizing Retailo's network of retailers and restaurants and its distribution infrastructure across the kingdom. Jordan is looking for alternatives to natural gas imports from Israel in case of potential supply disruptions. Jordanian officials say they've held talks with two GCC countries which are willing to cover its gas requirements if necessary. Jordan has a gas supply deal between American firm Noble and the National Electric Power Company, which ensures its access to Israeli gas. Officials say while this deal won't be canceled, there are concerns surrounding the gas supply of the Levantian field in the Mediterranean Sea. Prime Minister Sunak announced $37.2 billion of private funding for new UK projects as more than 200 CEOs descended on London for the 2023 Global Investment Summit. Investments include $12.62 billion from Australian fund IFM for infrastructure and energy transition projects. Spain's Iberdrola announced $8.83 billion for offshore wind infrastructure. Microsoft announced $3.16 billion for AI infrastructure. Germany's BioNTech Labs announced $1.26 billion for a new lab and an AI center of expertise. That brings us to today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking, which tracks the daily wins and losses of the world's wealthiest people. Not much movement today, with our biggest winner, Zara's Amancio Ortega, up $205 million, now with net worth of $95.5 billion. Second biggest winner today is the head of China's largest SUV manufacturer, Wei Junjuan, is up $234 million. Net worth of $13.3 billion. And our third place winner is vaccine billionaire Jiang Rensheng, up $325 million with net wealth of $14.2 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest billionaires news. And Alibaba has cut a quantum computing lab and team from its research arm, donating the lab to Zhejiang University. Alibaba's Demo Academy, its in-house research initiative, which included the lab, says the academy will focus on AI research with the aim of being a leader in the field. Alibaba launched Demo Academy in 2017 to research advanced technologies. It's the latest internal change at Alibaba, which said in March it would split its business into 6 units and spin off its cloud division. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.